Move on because we've got some companies set to report quarterly results. Let's talk Mattel, Expedia, and NVIDIA. Which one are you dialed in on most, first and foremost?
You know, I really like Expedia, and I think I'm going against the grain here because there's so much concern, not whether they're going to deliver numbers, top or bottom line, you know, compared to expectations, but what they may say because of the coronavirus and how that may impact sales, bookings moving forward. I'm going to take the opposite side of that.
Okay.
And from a pure reward to risk standpoint here, if you look technically in this chart here, after the big debacle, you know, where this thing got hit in November down to, what was it, 95 or so, we've made a really, really nice comeback here and put in some sideways trade, right? Kind of where we're trading right now, 108, 109 area, which is also the bottom of the 50-day moving average here. So to me, I look at this, and if there is no hint of any negativity moving forward with guidance at all, this stock has a lot of room to run to the upside. If you look at that big major gap area that it made back in November from around, you know, 132, 133 area, that's all dead space. That's, you know, an area that traders look at called a gap. I'm not saying it's going to fill that gap on this print, but what I am saying is I think there's a lot more upside here on a decent report with no negative guidance than there is a downside. So I really like a very, very inexpensive upside, you know, kind of move going into the print.
All right, we'll continue to watch these names. Scott, a great breakdown. Appreciate you bringing them to our attention and taking time out of your afternoon to join us here on Midday Movers. Much appreciated. Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy.